Hey everyone, so today I'll be showing you how you are going to work on custom objects. So first I'll give you an example how you can make this useful for your business. So let's say if you are into life insurance or a Medicare insurance business. So you can actually create policies based on custom objects. So a custom object, let's say we create a custom object for life insurance. So that specific custom object can hold all of their policy information like policy holder name, policy number, their effective date, their end date for the policy, stuff like that. So in that way, you can actually hold all of that information under a custom object, and then also you can actually have two different custom objects, and they could be linked as well. Let's say a person bought health and life, both of those insurances from you, so you can actually link them using custom objects as well. So you would know that okay, this person actually purchased life and health as well. So let's start and let's create a custom object. You can find that under settings objects. So for now I'll just do life insurance, so you can just put life insurance here, and for the plural just put life insurances. You can just add an s at the end. Okay, this is like very important part. Display field name. This is gonna be the unique name, unique value or unique field name that could be used to categorize the a policy. So I'll just put a policy number. You can put anything here which could be unique. Then we'll choose an icon. So I'll look for insurance here. I'll just use this one. And for the description, you can just put that using this object to store life insurance policy. I'll just put that. So once we'll click on the blue button, it will create our object. Now we got our project, our object. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add out some specific fields related to that policy, like the holder name. It could be their effective date, end date. You can add as many as policies do you want under custom object. So I'll go create custom fields. I'll just do one for now, and I'll just name it policy holder name. You can add as many as you want. Then make sure that this is life insurance here or health insurance, whatever object you create. You can put that under any folder that you have or any group. I'll save that. So now that specific field has been added to that specific object. So now once we have an object, we can even see it under here as well. You see, I have an object here under life insurance. You'll be able to see another tab here. So now what we can do is that we can start adding out records. So here you will enter a policy number. Let's say you sold a policy to someone and their number for the policy is probably 101. Just give me an example. So since we have added a policy holder here, you can just add yourself as owner, and you can, even if you have more team members, you can add them under follower as well. So once you have all of the fields, you will be able to see them right under here. Let's say it was effective date, it was end date, all of the information related to policy. So for now, I'll just put my name here, and that will actually save a policy for myself. Let's try reloading. I'll do it again. All right, it has created another record. So I'll just put another name. I can just put John. So that should just add our two records. So these are the two records. So I'm gonna manage fields. So I'm gonna add out these as well, so we can actually see the holder name and their policy as well. So now you can see that this specific policy number was belonging to me or to John. So in that way, you would know that okay, these are the specific policies that you have sold to me or John. So in that way, you're going to be actually storing out all of your policies. So what we can do is that if we, let's say you sold them another policy and that was health insurance, we'll go back, and once we'll have another object, we can actually create an association as well. We'll click on edit. I can actually create associations as well. So in that way, once you'll have another object, you will be able to see that under here, and then you can actually pay them based on the name of the association. So once you'll have a health insurance as well here, you will be able to see that under here, and then you'll be able to actually map the life insurance to health insurance as well. But for that, you will need another object as well. And then that way, you can actually add an association that okay, you sold life and health policy to me, to the same person you have sold two different policies. So in that way, you're going to make this work. First, you will need an object. Once that object is created, you're going to go and add all of the custom fields related to that object or to that policy. Make sure that you add out the records. Once you have the policy here or the object name here, once that is done, if you want to create associations, you create another object and then you just link the two objects in between. And that will just make sure that you have sold the policy, two different policies to the same user. Let me know if anyone of you have any questions, and I'll just create another video for you.